Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at those two. Look at that guy.
I'm Tandwa, and I am all out to discover Africa's hidden gem, the Kingdom of Eswatini. And so far, it's been nothing but exciting adventures. If you liked today's vlog, please do join the All Out Squad, subscribe, like, and do comment on the vlog and let me know what you thought.
Oh my goodness, did you guys see that driveway? This place is insane. I'm in Summerfields today. I'm so excited. We're just having lunch and chilling out with some good people, enjoying good company. So this place is insane, y'all. This place is so beautiful. The walkway to the restaurant is insane. So we're just chilling at the restaurant and admiring how beautiful this place is. It is absolutely gorgeous. The decor, the whole setup and interior decor theme is just absolutely beautiful and so relaxing too. And the restaurant is located right next to a man-made dam. Man, the ambiance, it just sets the perfect ambiance. Having their chicken chow mein and it really tastes good. I love the fact that it's not too salty. The salt is just perfect. The noodles, they're so rich and the food is moist. It really melts in your mouth. It's not too spicy, but the blend of whatever they put in there is perfect. The chicken is so juicy, but not too much. It's just perfect. Like everything just blends together so good. Love it. Can you believe I'm actually in the restroom? That is how awesome this place is. I need to give you a restroom tour, y'all. So this is what the corner looks like. Super cute. And then you have your toilets in there. More art on the wall. You have your sinks over there and a huge mirror with this beautiful detail in its frame. It's so beautiful. And of course over there you have your tissues to wipe your hands after cleaning them. And then you have the seating area here. This is so cute. I also love this detail in this color. And it's so consistent everywhere. As you can see on the chair, it's the same brown. There, it's the same brown. The window frames, the door, everything. The frame of the mirror. It's so beautiful, y'all. Look at this rug. Such a statement that is so necessary. Simple, but elegant and beautiful. I absolutely love that. So this place offers so much, y'all. There's an indoor restaurant and there's an outdoor restaurant as well. And we were in the indoor because the outdoor is a bit busy today. But I have decided I'm actually going to make this a two-part vlog. So I'll come back to experience the outdoor and show that to you guys as well. So this is part 2 of this vlog and we are back at Summerfields as promised. But first things first, I want to show you guys their outdoor restaurant because I'm hungry and because it's one of the most beautiful things in this country. Come on, please. And we're here. How cool is this, y'all? We have visitors. Look at this. So cool. Look at this detail. Love it. Absolutely love it. Guys, I'm having a latte. That's my drink for today. I needed something warm, y'all, because it's a bit chilly. So I ordered it with cream, but it's actually quite cool. They bring the cream separate, and so yeah, let's taste that. See how it is. I don't drink it with sugar, so I'm just gonna leave that. It's good latte, y'all. It's good latte. It's not too strong, so it's not an overwhelming taste, an overpowering taste. So I can even have it without my sugar. And I think more restaurants should actually do that. Okay. We're chilling here, and these are our views. Oh my God, look at that. Super beautiful. So mesmerizing. Like you could literally just sit here the whole day and just watch this view. Thank you. Oh my God, you guys, look at this food. How gorgeous is this? But today I'm having a Chinese stir fry. Is it a Chinese stir fry? Yeah, Chinese chicken stir fry, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait to dig in. And it came with these Chinese chips. Like, I haven't tasted this since college, y'all. So I'm so excited right now. Oh my God, this is good. Some good stuff. And for a quick review of today's meal, the chicken is so nice and tender and so flavorful, but not overpowering. Just perfect blend of whatever spices and sauces that they used there. And the vegetables are very nice and crunchy. Absolutely love it. Let's try the rice. There's such a perfect salty taste there. I don't know what kind of salt that they put in there, but it tastes so good. And like you can taste the flavor of the egg, but you don't taste the egg. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's so perfect. It tastes good. I absolutely love the food. All right, so we're done eating and we're actually about to go check out the botanical gardens now. So after the restaurant is transitioned to the botanical gardens, y'all. Look at that. The botanical garden side, it is just filled with so many beautiful trees, so much beautiful grass and plants, and so many beautiful walkways. Like you could literally take so many routes walking and just enjoying the nature in this place. And also the beautiful sounds of the water by the fountain that is at the entrance of the restaurant. It just sets this ambience that is so relaxing and so beautiful. It's just refreshing being here. Exactly what you need. Just to what's the word, to refresh and recharge. Let's take a moment to appreciate and acknowledge, look at the nature of the trees here. It's like different types of trees and different types of plants. It is gorgeous. Look at that. I think it's very important that I appreciate this rendezvous theme that they have in the buildings of the whole restaurant. It is absolutely beautiful, and it just sets this beautiful atmosphere of a bit of culture but with luxury. It's perfect. That is where we were seated. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So basically, you guys, this place has a lot to offer. Restaurant, accommodation, botanical garden, events. Actually, there's a lot of parties and events right now as we speak going on here. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a perfect location for what you want it to be. A getaway or just a lunch out or just an event location. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, and I wouldn't have done justice if I didn't mention the many perfect picture spots that this location has. Everywhere literally is a picture perfect spot. I've taken like thousands of pictures. And that's it for today, you guys. We're gonna end today's vlog here. I really hope you did like the place as much as I do. From me, much love. I will see you in the next one.